Now we will install PHP and MySQL and other packages we need to run WordPress application or Laravel application. To start, we will install PHP package on our server. With this command you can change any PHP version you want. Here let's try with 8.1 at the moment. Since I have already installed it, so I didn't get all that installation information, but you will get a lot more than this. I will put all these commands in the description. Alright, so now to test if it's working or not, we can just check with this command. Yes, it's active, it's running. So now the first thing we need to add this PHP support in our Nginx config file for this domain, the config file we have, which you have seen in the previous videos. So let's go to that file, etc. So this file should always be edited with sudo nano so first thing we will change here is we will add PHP here instead of HTML. After this we add these lines. I can put these lines in the description so you can just copy paste from there. We can validate. With this command. Okay. There are some warnings for depreciation of some directive. I don't think so it's gonna affect anything for now, but we can come back to this later. Now we need to restart Nginx once. Of course with sudo. And let's go and put some PHP code here to see if the PHP support is working for this website. So instead of this index file, HTML file, we can have index.php file. We can say index to index PHP. Okay, and now we can just edit this file. We can just put here some PHP code. Alright, so let's see if it's working or not. So how do we solve this 502 bad gateway is, let's check the logs first. To do that, we will run a command. Let's go to this directory. And let's check the logs. And yeah, it is saying that the problem is with the PHP FM socket file. Permission denied. So it seems like that the user or the group in this file is not ubuntu, or it's not correct. So let's solve this problem. Go to this location. PHP. Point one. Okay, let's see what is wrong with this location. Until here is fine. After that, okay, it's FPM and then pool.d. Sudo nano okay, here make sure that your user and group is correct, and then the listen, yeah, here it should also be, in my case, ubuntu, and in your case, whatever is your username. Let's restart the service. Okay, so let's see if now it is working. Yeah, so it's working now. So the PHP is installed. Now we will install MySQL server.